Are you tired of searching for ways to make money online and finding advice that feels impossible to follow? What if I told you there are real, actionable steps you can take today to start earning? Stick around, because I'll show you tools, strategies, and productivity hacks that will set you up for online success. Welcome to the update and subscribe for more information. Thank you. Today I will be sharing with you what to do to make money online. 1. Freelancing. Sell your skills online. First up, freelancing. Do you have a skill like writing, graphic design, or video editing? There's a massive demand for freelancers on platforms like Upwork and Fiverr. Tools to get started. Canva, for designing logos, social media posts, and more. Grammarly, to polish your writing and look professional. Example, say you're good at creating social media content. Businesses will pay you to design Instagram posts or write captions that engage their audience. All you need is your creativity and a few hours of focused work. 2. Affiliate marketing. Earn while you recommend a product to a buyer. Affiliate marketing. This is where you earn a commission for promoting other people's products. Platforms like Amazon Associates or ClickBank make it easy to start. I give you example, or better still, use this strategy. Pick products you genuinely love and create content around them. For example, if you're into fitness, you could recommend gym equipment or supplements on your blog or YouTube channel. Include your affiliate link, and every sale earns you a cut. You need a productivity app like 1. Bitly. Shorten and track your affiliate links for better results. 3. Online courses. Share your knowledge. Are you an expert in something? Create an online course and sell it on platforms like Teachable or Udemy. People are always looking to learn new skills. I will give you example. Imagine you're great at baking. You could create a course teaching beginners how to make perfect cakes at home. Record a few tutorials, package them into a course, and let the platform handle the rest. You need tools like 1. Zoom, for hosting live classes. 2. Notion, to plan and organize your course content. 4. E-commerce, sell products without inventory. Dropshipping is another great way to make money online. You set up a store, and suppliers handle the inventory and shipping. You need these tools to get started. 1. Shopify, build a professional store quickly. 2. Oberlo, find and import products for your store. I give you example. Think about trending products like reusable water bottles. You promote them online, take orders, and let your supplier ship directly to customers. You earn without worrying about stocking up or delivery logistics. 5. Content creation. Make money doing what you love. Content creation, whether it's YouTube, TikTok, or blogging, it's a fun way to earn money online by doing what you're passionate about. I give you example, or you can use this strategy. Focus on a niche, like tech reviews or cooking tutorials. Monetize through ads, sponsorships, or even merchandise. The key is consistency and engaging your audience. You can use these tools. 1. TubeBuddy, for optimizing YouTube videos. 2. Vidic, for ranking your YouTube videos. 3. CapCut, a free and powerful video editing app. 6. Productivity apps to streamline tasks. Making money online requires focus and organization. Here are my top 3 productivity apps to stay on track. You need apps like 1. Trello, break down your goals into manageable tasks. 2. Google Drive, store and organize your files in one place. 3. Rescue Time, track how you spend your time and eliminate distractions. I give you example. Let's say you're juggling freelance writing, affiliate marketing, and content creation. Use Trello to plan your daily tasks, Google Drive to store client files, and Rescue Time to make sure you're staying productive. Making money online doesn't have to be complicated. With the right tools, strategies, and mindset, you can turn your skills into income. Which of these ideas will you try first? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips to help you succeed online. Thank you for watching, and subscribe to the Update for more information like this.